Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yin. I'm the General Manager of the INNOVATOR Machineries. I would like to take this opportunity to give you a short presentation about who we are and what we do. So we as the INNOVATOR Machinery was founded in 2002. We are located in Taiwan City in Taiwan. Currently we have our production site is around 4,000 square meters with about 40 employees. So since the foundation of the INNOVATORS, we used to do a lot of the veneering equipment. So up to 2013, we have sold more than 600 veneer spricers worldwide to over 40 countries in the world. And in 2019, we start to get into another field, which is the box making machines. I will explain what is the function and what the advantage and what is the problem we try to solve with these box making machines. So what is the just-in-time packing solutions? And oftentimes when we visit the customers, we will see the customer have a lot of waste boxes in their warehouse, and those boxes may not be used again anymore. So the advantage we are trying to provide is that by these box making machines, we can make any size, any box styles in any times in an easy and more efficient ways. And you will be able to stop wasting money and time for those inventory boxes. In a way, you can also reduce the number of the staff that you need to check and locate these boxes as you need it. So we also can help you to reduce the cost of the feeders, like pinners and air peelers, so you don't have to ship a lot of airs when you do the logistics on your trucks. So we can carry the content to the customer safe and sound by minimize the shipping cost. And we also can help you less the shipping cost by reducing the necessary field. So as a result, a better environment for our kids by having more boxes to be fitted on the truck and airplanes. So consider all the benefits of our box machines. You are able to produce the fixed size boxes in an easy and efficient way. So here I would like to show you videos which you will be able to understand how the machine works and how it can function. So you can simply just punch the length and also the width and the height of the box that you want to make it. And you can simply punch the start buttons, and within 5 to seconds, the machine will make the boxes for you. This is our scanning measurement systems. So in a lot of e-commerce industries where you want to pack the contents which come in different sizes, you don't need to order a lot of huge quantity of the boxes. So by our machines, you are able to make the box size just right to fit the content that you are planning to ship. So let's get into a little bit detail about the machines. Here, as you can see on the PowerPoint here, we have the infit rollers and also the outfit rollers. So by standards, we are offering 1 crosswise cutting units and 6 longitudinal cutting units and the creasers. And this is the sheet fittings, automatic sheet fitting phones, and you don't have to fit the cotton manually by your workers. You can also use we call the fan for fitting systems, which will help you to fit the cotton papers more easy and in a continuous way. You can also have we call the side-by-side fitting systems. You can have 2 different widths of the corrugated cottons, and to maximize the yield of your raw materials. We can also do the maximum 6 fan for stores, and by our side-by-side fitting systems, you can have maximum 12 different kind of the width of the corrugated raw materials. Again, it will help you to save a lot on your raw materials. So let's get into the program part of our machines. From the slides here, you can very easily see there are several box styles that you can choose. And once you choose on the box styles, the next thing you have to do is to punch 3 numbers. You have to tell the machine the length and the width and the height of your boxes. And within 10 seconds, the box is ready for you. This video was taken from one of our customers. They are very typical panel furniture producers. So each panel they produce, they come with different size. So before using our machines, they are having a very huge space. They have to order a huge quantity of the boxes, and they will take a lot of their warehouse space. So by having our machines, now they are able to pack whatever size of the panel they produce in a very easy and very clean way. So the application of this box making machine can be various. It can be used for the door manufacturers, a lot of different furniture packaging applications like chairs or different size of the couch, sofas. So in a way, it will help you to reduce the cost of the shippings, and it will help you to reduce, to help you to manage your warehouse. So this is the end of our presentations. So if you have more questions, you are more than welcome to send us an email at service@innovatormachinery.com. You can also log in our website at www.innovatormachinery.com. There will be more photos, videos, and more documents available and to help you to understand. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you soon.